What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning. As you can see, we are out in the Abarth with Alexandra, which is the owner of Mark's Abarth, which you would have seen on the channel. And your Abarth, yes. Also the owner of Abarth Club West Midlands, which is doing very well as well. Yeah. So I thought it was a fitting thing to bring her out in the Abarth before we do all the tuning. So this is on stage one. With the exhaust and a slightly different air filter, so it should be around about 180 brake horsepower. So we're going to get a little reaction and see what I think of it and what Alexandra thinks of it, basically. And then we're going to be doing the stage 2 next week, which I'm quite excited for. And then we're going big boy TD04, and then even more mods. And then we're going to sort out the 4-wheel drive, or maybe a slightly different modification to be able to put all the power down. So we're on a big road where we could actually do some testing. We'll drop it into third and see what it's like, basically. So it spools up really well. It comes in pretty hard. Yes! This is nice.
It's got a good pull to it.
It's alright, isn't it? A big lorry, small car.
Yeah, don't mix.
Yeah, it comes in really aggressive, to be fair. When it goes stage 2 and TD04, it'll be a hell of a lot more aggressive. It does come in quite aggressive, doesn't it? Obviously in third gear, it's a little bit more linear. You can feel a little bit of tyre spin. Obviously it is very wet today, so we are going to get that. I'm sure when I try it in second gear, it's going to probably spin all the way through the gear, so that can't really be avoided, but handles really well. There's nothing been done to the suspension. We just had it wrapped as well, which looks good. It's catching a lot of people's attention, I can tell you that, which is good, I suppose. It's good that we're having a lot of people looking at it. That's a good thing.
Well, the colour stands out, that's for sure.
Yeah, exactly. It looks a little bit like a little Tigers car, doesn't it? With the yellow roof. But yeah, we'll let this guy go past.
Yeah, so we're getting overtaken here. That's not good.
Drop it into second. About 3,000 revs. Yeah, that's loads more on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, that's loads better. So whoever did the map before was half decent. It wasn't great, so we put our new map on to take it to the stage 1, and it is really responsive. As soon as you put the pedal down, it literally spools and pushes you back, which is exactly what we want. And I'm really excited for the TD04 and the stage 2, to be honest.
I'll be interested to see what it's like.
Yeah, that's exactly why I bought you out, because I thought, well, if we take you out with the stage 1, obviously this will be a little bit under power to yours compared, and then obviously when we go big boy TD04, it's going to be a massive difference, isn't it?
Yeah, the thing is, I'm going to want to do more on my car.
Well, this is what happens. Yeah. This is what happens.
That's how I work at a tuning company, and God help me, I'm going to start doing a hell of a lot more mods on my car.
Exactly. This is what it's like. Right, so let's get one more pull down this road from second gear.
She's fishtailing.
She likes it. Yeah, she does go, doesn't she? Mm-hmm. Stage 1 as well. This is really good. I can see that we've got a lot of potential in this car, guys. 59,000 miles on it as well. So not much to grumble at, to be honest. It's not been driven very hard. We're not sure what we're going to do on the wheels. I think we're going to keep it the same at the moment. Obviously, because it looks a little bit like a little Tykes car, but still. It's definitely grabbing people's attention. But the power is really nice. Very responsive, pretty aggressive. Obviously that is the Abarth way, and it is all about its handling as well. It goes around the corner really well. unfortunately, because of the power that it's at and it's front wheel drive, putting the power down is pretty tricky in the rain. So going around the corner and stepping on it like you saw I just did, it will fishtail a little bit and go straight from the front. So that's why we were thinking of the four-wheel drive. And obviously when we're pushing 400 brake horsepower, this car is going to be an absolute monster. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you do subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep up with all the videos on the Abarth. We will be doing a stage 2 video, and we will be doing a TDO4 review of this car as well, so make sure you stay tuned.